Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today I will tell you about the rules who needs to follow when you convert the active voice into passive voice. In the active voice sentences, always the subject does the work, but in the passive voice sentences, the focus is on the action. For example, in the active voice, if the sentence is Amy killed John, here the subject is Amy, killed is the second form of the verb, and John is the object. So that sentence is in the past indefinite tense. When we convert it into the passive voice, then John, it will become the subject in the passive voice. So we can say that our object in the active voice, it will be our subject in the passive voice, and our subject in the active voice, it will be our object in the passive voice. So John, after it we shall put the helping verb was. Here when we convert the past indefinite tense into the passive voice form, then we put the helping verb was or were. So the John is a singular subject, then we shall put the helping verb was according to the singular subject, then third form of the verb, then by, and then Amy. Amy is here our object in the passive voice, but it was our subject in the active voice. How to change from active to passive voice? These are the rules to follow while convert active into passive voice. In the active voice sentence, first of all, in the start there is subject, then there is verb, and then there is object. But when we convert it into passive voice, this object, it will become subject in the passive voice, then there is third form of the verb, and then object, and this object, this is the in fact the subject of the passive voice. Personal pronoun as subject and object change. So how we shall change the personal pronouns as subject and object? If our subject in the active voice is I, it will change into me as an object. When a subject, it will change into the object pronoun, then the subject pronoun have some changings. I will change into me, we into us, you into you, they into them, he into him, she into her, Ali into Ali, and book into book. It is important to remember that in all passive voice sentences we use only third form of the verb, and it is used after helping verb. If our active voice sentence is, it has subject in the start, then there is verb, and then there is object. But in the passive voice we use object in the start, and this object, the subject of the passive voice, it is in fact the object of the active voice. Then we use helping verb according to the tense. If the tense is in present, then we use the present helping verb. If the tense is in the past form, then we use the helping verb of the past form. Then there is third form of the verb, and then we use by, and after it we use subject. This subject, in fact, which is object in the passive voice, it is our object of the active voice. For example, a sentence is Tim hit the ball. Here Tim is our subject and hit is the second form of the verb. It is our action, and the ball is the object. In the passive voice, the ball will be in the start, so the object of the active voice, it converts into the subject of the passive voice. The ball is in the start, then we use was, because our subject is the singular form. Then we use was, and then we use third form of the word, it is hit, and then by, and then team. Team is our object here, but in fact it is the subject of the active voice. So simply we can say that our conversion from active and passive into is like that the cat drank the milk, but in the passive voice the milk was drunken. Thank you so much.